Well, good afternoon. This is Farooq Azam from Oxbridge, and today I am going to teach you especially the new chapter, and that chapter name is words of questions. What is this words of questions? Before I start explaining you all the words of this group, these chapters, I would like to explain you words of questions. All the words which are used to ask a question is called words of questions. There are 9 members of this words of questions. I would explain you all one by one, but before that I start, I would like to discuss with the formula also. As you guys must be knowing about in the past videos which I have already taught you, there is only a single formula for all the Hindi sentence to be translated into English, and that single formula is your subject verb plus object. So whenever we talk about any of the sentence to design, subject comes first, then verb, and then object. According to the sentence, the verb form changes, and according to the verb form, it's a helping verb attached with the verb. So now here when I talk about the formula, so here will be words of questions. So these words of question will make 2 types of sentence. Sentence number 1, there I am going to ask a questions. Sentence number 2, I am going to answer or to tell the answer. So when we talk about with the help of words of questions, to ask a questions, the formula will be as such: WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object, and in the last there will be question mark. Why? Because words of questions are always used before subject. So whenever we have to use the words of questions, we will put these words before subject. And if in the sentence there is a question, means the sentence, if the sentence is in interrogative format, there will be helping verb coming before subject from the verb. So the formula will be to ask a question: WH words plus helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object, and then question mark. If we don't ask the questions with the help of words of questions, in such case the formula will be little bit different. Like, to tell the answer to anyone, the formula will be WH words plus directly subject plus verb plus object, and then full stop. You can ask me, sir, in the first sentence, first formula, there was helping verb which was before subject, but in the second formula there is no helping verb before the subject. I would like to answer these questions. Before subject, helping verb is not there, just because this is not the sentence with the questions. Then you can ask me, sir, why the helping verb is not with the verb? My dear students, for your kind information, I would like to tell you the forms of the verb. According to the forms of the verb, it has or it does not have helping verb. So when the verb form is not clear, how can I put their helping verb, as there are only 2 forms of the verb, B4 and B3, which have helping verb. Rest all the words, it does not have, all they don't have helping verb. Like B1 does not have helping verb, B5 does not have helping verb, B2 does not have helping verb. Actually, in all 3 forms, whenever we need because of interrogative or negative, we borrow. So the case verb form is not clear, so here helping verb is also not clear. So I hope the formula is very much clear, and now I would like to discuss about the members of WH words, and then I would like to go explaining one by one with the examples also. So the first word of WH words, we have who, and the meaning of this is kaun or jo. This can be used only for the persons. The second word we have whom, WHOM, whom. The meaning is kisko or kinko. The third word we have whose, WHOSE, whose. The meaning is kiska or kinka. The next word we have when. 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 The meaning is kab or jab. Number 5 we have where. The meaning is kahan or jahan. Number 6 how. The meaning is kaise or jaise. Number 7 what. The meaning is kya or jo. This can be used for things or matter. Number 8 which, kaun or jo. This can be used only for thing. Indirectly this can also be used for the person. I'll give you with the example while teaching. The time I'll teach you which I will explain you with the example. The last number 9 why. why. Q. So these 9 words are the members of words of questions. Now today in this video I am going to teach you the first word, which is who. Who is not only words of questions, who is also as subject. In this case, here whenever we talk about who, there will not be any other subject added with the who. I give you example. Who, the meaning is kaun or jo, for person. Okay, I give you example. कौन बाहर खड़ा है. Who is standing outside. कौन मुझसे मिलने आया है. Who has come to meet me. कौन यहाँ से जाने वाला है. Who is to go from here. So here who comes with the meaning कौन. I give you example of some who with the meaning जो. मैं आपको कुछ एग्जाम्पल हु का देता हूं जहां जो का मीनिंग होगा. जो यहां अभी आया है वह मुझसे मिलने. सो हु हैज कम हियर नाउ. ही मीट्स मी. जो जाना चाहता है, जा सकता है. हु वॉन्ट्स टू गो, ही कैन गो. जो जाना चाहता है वह जा सकता है. So here we have seen the meaning of who, कौन and also जो. The next word of who is whoever. 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 The meaning is कोई भी और जो भी. Whoever. The meaning is कोई भी और जो भी. I give you example. जो भी यहाँ आता है मैं उसे अंग्रेजी पढ़ाता हूँ. Whoever comes here, I teach him English. जो भी यहाँ अंग्रेजी पढ़ता है वह फटाफट अंग्रेजी बोलता है. Whoever reads English here, he speaks English fluently. So this is whoever. The meaning with जो भी और कोई भी. This is all about who.